Guys, welcome once more to our class tutorial. So today we are going to talk about what 3D reference. 3D reference, okay? So 3D reference is where you sum up or you collect data from different sheets. Like this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and place all of them and place the solution of the answer in a totally different sheet altogether. So here I'm going to rename this. Right click, rename Lagos sales. Right click here, rename Jos sales. Right click here, rename Enugu sales. Okay, so these are states and the sales is made in those states. So in this last sheet, sheet 4, we are going to right click and we are going to rename as total. You can make it total also. Okay, so once you've done this now looking at this stuff, we are going to perform sum, which is summation. So let me zoom it a little bit so you can see it very perfectly fine. Okay, I think this is too much. Okay, I think this is okay. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is okay. Okay, so look at you see our products here. You see the years 2010, 2011, 2013, 2015 to 2015. So I'm going to perform summation. So you come in now, you put equal to sum bracket open shift number 9. We'll select this whole range, then we'll close the bracket, press enter. So this is the sum of this whole year 2010. So let me just put a sum here. So just okay, sum, and make it bold. Okay, so this is the sum. So likewise here we do the same. Now there's a function in Excel that helped us was copy and paste our calculation. So we can highlight from this small dot here, just copy and paste our calculation that you have done throughout the whole year. You see, it's going to give us the summation of all the years equivalently. So after that's been done, we're going to create a general total here. That means adding up all this information we have gotten from 2010 to 2015 under what our H column. Okay, so you can name it anything, total cell. Let's just put it here equals to sum bracket open. Now you pick the first which is B8 to shift column G8. So after I selected this whole cell, then you close the bracket, I press enter. So that is it. So this is the summation of all the sales in Lagos. Now let's move over to Jos, do the same thing, perform the same action there. Okay, zoom it a little bit for you to see. Good. Put sum. Okay, make it good. Okay, good. Then now equals to sum. Don't forget equal to that equal to sign. Not is going to work in Excel. So open brackets. This is B4 to B7. Okay, close the brackets, press enter. So still the same process, click on it, see this small dot here, you're going to drag it through. It's going to give us calculation for that. Then you come to this H column, you highlight it, you put equal to sum bracket open, you pick the cell which is B8 to you pick the last one which is G8, close the bracket and press enter. So this is our summation. Let's go over to Enugu and do the same thing there, increasing our view. Okay, so come here, sum equals to sum bracket open B4 to B7. So you close the bracket, press enter. Okay, now for that we come here and we'll drag it over to the other side. You see now we have gotten the sum for this. Then still under the Jos Enugu, you're going to put equals to sum bracket open. Okay. Sum bracket open. Then click what this is B8 to G8. You see the summation. Then we close the bracket and press enter. So So finally guys, we have gotten the sum of all three sales location. Yes, now let's put all this calculation in our total sheet, our sheet called total. So we're going to make highlight a column and name it what? Total sales column. Okay, so we're going to drag this out. Perfect. So click here. We're going to increase the font a little bit. Okay, now we're going to perform a calculation. Now we're going to press equal to, and this is how we do it. Always put equal to before the calculation. Now once you click equal to, move over to the Lagos sales and tap it. You're going to see Lagos sales exclamation mark. Good. That exclamation mark, then you select the cell you would like to choose. You tap on this one that has the whole solution. Do you see that? Then you shift equal to will give you your plus sign. You go over to sales, just sales, tap on it. Do you see? It's showing just sales over here. Then you tap on the cell required. Then you plus for the last time. You click the Enugu. After Enugu, you see Enugu sales appear here. Then you tap on the cell. So once after the just press your enter key. Perfect. Do you see? Do you see what I'm seeing here? All your calculation is here. So if you look at this formula bar up here, you see that this is how it's being calculated. The name of the sheet, exclamation mark, the name of the cell plus name of the sheet, exclamation mark, name of the cell plus name of the sheet, exclamation mark, and name of the cell. That is cell reference. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Give it to your friends. This is a simple way for you to create what you call 3D referencing in Excel. Don't don't hold back. We are going to be sending you more tips on how to what create deeper 3D column 3D references in what Excel. So thank you for watching. Bye bye and do have a nice time.